and we found some amazing faces, very, very pretty girls, and I'm quite surprised that they were confident, well-groomed, and I think they have a lot of potential, and they're going to do very well in the finals. And yeah, so I think it was a fun event, and it was in this beautiful mall. See, this was basically to, this was basically to scout for talent from all over, from the smaller cities, from the bigger cities, and now the final is going to take part in Delhi. And I think the 5 contestants what we picked today have a lot of potential, and they are like, I think they're very good. And I think this is a great platform for youngsters, and I wish them all the very best. Yeah.
So when I started modeling, I started with elite model look, and this Max, what they're doing, they're doing a model hunt, from which the contestants who win will go to elite model look. And I think we have a lot of beauty pageants in the country. We have a lot of, like, we have Miss India, but we don't have a model hunt where people can come and be like supermodels and models. So I think that era needs to come back, because there used to be supermodels at one point of time, or up koi supermodels, they're not there. So contests like this can get the fashion circle back and get the models back on the ramp. So I think they're doing a great job for people who are tall and exotic looking.
So got observed like Hyderabad.
Sorry?
How was the model?
I think we spotted some really, really, really good girls. I think boys mein thoda sa response chanda tha, but girls mein we found really good girls, like 4 really good girls we found. So I think we've got good talent here.
Model ke Bollywood star.
Yeah.
So journey like how?
It is very nice. So I associate with this brand because I've also been a model, and this is my area of expertise. I know what works internationally, I know what works here. So slowly through modeling also I've gone into films. So I think it's a great platform. Modeling is a great platform for people to come out, and I wish them all the best.
So future projects for you?
Future project, I might be doing a film, in South. I don't want to reveal it yet, but which is why also I'm here. This plus that, I'm here for 3-4 days. So in Bollywood, after Action Jackson, I have 2 more films with the same producers. Something in Hyderabad should happen soon.